Welcome to my channel and welcome to Mad Hatter Bags.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mad Hatter Bags. My name is Christopher and I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to watch this video. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all, today we're going to talk a little bit about Coach. I do have a few items, and these are going to be the last items for a while that I unbox from Coach, just because of the fiasco that is ongoing still with their customer service, the latest drops, etc., etc. If you've been watching, you know what I'm talking about. The restock, the early restock. So I'm just done with it. I'm tired of all the games that they're playing, especially with their customers. They're doing great for the resellers, it seems like, because they just go on and they buy up all the shit. And then the actual people that actually like Coach, that want to buy the bags, just one bag and get it and keep it and love it and wear it, can't get them. I saw one seller had went on and they actually posted where they had went in their cart and they bought 4 Rowans. So they're letting people buy 4 bags at a time of the same item. So they need to stop that. They need to fix the website, and they need to make things easier for their actual customers to buy stuff in store. So that's just some of my opinion. And like I said, I'm just putting Coach in jail for the summer. Unless something amazing comes out and it's just some super great deal or something that I really love, I'm not really going to be buying like I was, because I was just going on looking every day and like, oh, what's on sale, what's here and there and there. So I have a few items here, and this is the last of the bunch I'm going to show y'all. And one of the bags is actually a bag I already reviewed because I had to return it because I wore it not even one time. I actually just put it on to film a video. I did the video. I took off some charms I had on it, and the bag already had stitching coming loose, and I had to return it. So I just took it back. And when I took it back, I was just going to go back and get the bag because they actually found me one. I don't know how they did, but they found one in a store and they were going to be able to exchange it. So I was going to go back and just exchange it. So I kept the bag, and then I went over a couple of days later back to the outlet store near my house, and I just took the bag with me, and I was just going to actually just give it back and just return it. But then I was like, you know what? I want to get at least one piece from this print. So I went ahead and just got the regular Rowan. So I have it here too. I haven't unboxed it. And y'all, this has been over a week. This stuff's been sitting here. I've just been so disappointed with Coach lately. I just don't even feel like looking at this stuff, but I am going to keep it. I actually thought about just returning all of it, but I'm going to keep it because I have a lot of Coach stuff, and I do enjoy my Coach stuff. I just need them to get their stuff together, y'all. So I'm going to show you again the bag that I got, the Finn crossbody in that print, and then I'm going to show you the Rowan in that one as well. So I'm excited to see the Rowan because I haven't never seen that, and I'm going to show you a couple of other items that I picked up along the way, and I just wanted to share those with y'all. And I'll go ahead and we'll do one of the first ones. So before I do that, I do want to say thanks to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, you love luxury handbags and fashion as much as I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you know next time I have a new post. If you'd like to follow me on any of my other social media, please hop on over and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channel. I do a lot of fun stuff on the TikTok channel, and I post high quality images sometimes of the stuff I review and bags that I style. So definitely check those out. And for everything else Mad Hatter, don't forget to check out my beacon links. It's going to be the first link under my YouTube bio. You can find lots of great information there, discount codes, shopping links, and you can shop my personal closet on Depop as well when I post up there. I've got quite a few things there, so don't forget to do that. And if you can just stop before this video is over with, give me a big thumbs up, a like, I do appreciate that. And don't forget to hype my video in the YouTube app. It does help me, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all for doing that. So the first item I'm going to show y'all, I actually got this off of Facebook Marketplace, and I looked up on it, and I got it for about $65, y'all. It was $75. I asked if she would take $65. I don't know if the girl just didn't know what she had or just didn't like it, but why wouldn't she just take it back to the store, because it's a brand new item. And I actually have the large one down here. This is the large tour tote. Well, this is the small tour tote, even though it's actually large to me. So I've got the mini. I got the mini from this girl off Facebook, and I went and picked it up, and here it is. It's already unwrapped, of course, because it was her bag, and I'm just going to show it off here. But this is the little mini here. Let me grab the large one, and I'll show you the comparison between the two here so you can see the size difference. All right, so here is this is what they call the small tour tote. Let me grab the handle here. All right, so this is the small tour tote in that Love denim that just came out, y'all. And I love this bag. I love all of the Love denim. And then here is the little mini. So that's the difference in the sizes there, so you can see. All right, so I love both of those. And I did a review on the bigger one, so if you're interested in seeing that, do check that out. It's one of my past few videos. But here's the little mini bag here. Let me just go over some details with you and show you. It did come with the 2 little bag charms, the little bear and the key there that says Coach on it. And then it has, of course, Coach and that Love denim there, and the color on it's really pretty. So I was really happy to get this. It's not gonna hold a whole lot, but it's cute for me and I can stick a few things in it and just carry out. The good thing about this one is it does have a crossbody strap, and the crossbody strap is in black, and it has your typical little silver hardware on it with the dog leash style attachment pieces. But then you have some love leather on there as well, and it has a nice adjustable buckle and everything on it. So there is the strap that goes on it, but it's nice to have a crossbody strap. So it has a couple of D-rings on the ends here that you can attach to put your strap on. And then the closure piece on it is actually a magnet. So it just magnetizes closed there. Very nice. And then here's the inside of it. She even left the price tag on the inside there. And then of course there is the journey tag or whatever you want to call it there. But yeah, the inside is just black and that's it. So, but it's really cute. And for half the price of the bag, I was like, yeah, I just need to pick it up. It's a steal. So thank you, Facebook Marketplace. One of my very few finds that I actually got on Facebook Marketplace that was a good deal. All right, so let me put that one away and I'm gonna show you the next item here, and then we're gonna move on to the other bags that I haven't unboxed. So the next item I have is a bag charm here that I've had for a while. I've had this for a couple of weeks and I've just been waiting to unbox it with y'all. So it's in one of these terrible asbestos envelopes, but let's open it up together here and hopefully it's not gonna choke me. All right, if you pull the string on these, just FYI, it's a lot less mess, so try that. But let me see if I can get into it without making a mess here. Here it is. Can y'all guess what it is? It's a pretty big charm here, so let me just unwrap it for y'all. This one was actually half off. I try to wait till their charms like this go on sale. It was still expensive, but for half off, it's 50% off. So I wait until they go on sale and then I get them. But I was eyeballing this one for quite a while, y'all, and it's gonna be perfect for a lot of my bags. I just love it. All right, and here it is. Let me pull the little thing off of it. And there it is, y'all. That is the big spider. Look at that. So nice. And of course it has your Coach logoing and everything on the little attachment piece and a little keychain that says Coach. And it's very heavy and it's pretty big, y'all. So that's the spider bag charm in that black and silver. So that's gonna go on a lot of my bags because I have a lot of silver hardware. Silver is probably my favorite color as far as hardware goes, but I do love it and he's so cute. So just a pretty little spider there. All right, so that was one of my finds there from Coach and I'm happy I got that one. All right, y'all, so that's the last of the little odds and ends I have to show y'all today. Now I have the two bags, the Rowan and the Finn bag that I'm gonna show you. Let me tell you a little bit about the Finn bag. This is the replacement here I have. When I went to exchange, when I went to give this bag back and I actually bought the Rowan, I looked on the shelf because I had taken this other bag back a couple of days before that. And I just happened to notice, I'll show you a video here, on the shelf here, they had another bag and I was like, look at this other bag here. It's just, it's the same one. They actually got another one in. Y'all wouldn't believe it. It's the same bag that I returned and they just put this bag back on the shelf. They didn't do anything except take maybe some scissors it looked like and trim the loose stitching off of it and then put it right back on the shelf to sell, unbeknownst to anyone that might come in and not really pay that much attention to it. And they're probably gonna buy a bag that's already damaged. And it was still up there for exactly $129, as you can see in between those three bags, the other style. So here it is. This is the replacement bag here and I haven't even looked at it, but I do know that it doesn't have the damage that the other one had because I was just like, how shady? Like, why would you do that? And I knew that they knew what was going on because when I exchanged this bag, when I returned it, the return reason on the receipt said, change mine, not that bag was damaged or there was damage. So, but here it is, and I love this bag. I'm happy that I was able to get another one, and I love it. It's a nice, nice little crossbody, and it's a really nice size. So here it is, y'all, and I've already done the review on this bag, so I'm not gonna review it again, but this is the replacement that I got and everything is good as far as the stitching. The damage was right here on this end here, and this one, as you can see, is stitched really good. So hopefully it's gonna stay that way. If not, I guarantee you I will be returning it to Coach. So that is the Finn crossbody in the loved canvas, okay? So let's move on. I'm gonna show you the regular size Rowan in the loved canvas. I'm really excited about this one. All right, y'all, so here is the bag with the Rowan in it, the Love Canvas Rowan. Let's get it out together here and see what we've got here. I did ask them to give me one that was wrapped up still from the back, and they had one, so they gave me that one. And I'm glad I do, and I'll always try to get one that's wrapped up if I can find one if I'm in store because, like I said, they put that other bag back on the shelf. Who knows, if you get a bag that's unwrapped from the store, make sure you look over it really well. I wouldn't want anyone to get a damaged bag since they're doing that kind of shadiness. All right, y'all. All right, so here is the Rowan. Let's take it out together. All right, and here it is in that loved canvas. It's all rolled up, of course. So I'm gonna take off some of this packaging and everything, and we'll get it unwrapped, and I'll show you what it looks like real quick. Give me just 1 second. All right, y'all, so I got the bag unwrapped here, and let me just do a 360 of this little Rowan here. This is the regular size. They came out with a mini and the regular in this bag. No large, unfortunately. I don't know why Coach doesn't do more larges for people that like the large, but I would have really loved a large in this print. It's really pretty, and it comes with the 2 charms there. You get a little feather, and then you also get this little domino piece here that has little dominoes, and then on the back it says Coach there. So very nice little charms on it, and then the feather's really pretty too. All right, and then there's the front. Of course, you've got your Coach logoing and everything in that signature. It's kind of supposed to be like the loved leather, but it's a canvas, and it's supposed to kind of be worn looking, so that's why it looks kind of worn on some of the C's. But I do like it, and it has some of the actual love leather on the chaps there, so very nice. You got D-rings on the side to attach your strap. No feet on the bottom on the medium size, but that's okay. I do love some feet though. All right, and then you've got a really nice 1 zipper pull on the top here in that gold hardware there. So I'm gonna open it up for you and show you the inside. I didn't show you, you do have a zipper pocket on the back, your standard zipper pocket there. All right, let's open it up. Let me get all the packaging out of here so I can show you the interior of this one too. All right, y'all, so I got all the stuffing on the inside out. Let me show you the interior. There is the interior, if you can see it. You do have a zipper pocket on the back side here with a really nice leather zipper pull. You've got your Journey tag down in there. And then on the other side here, you actually have a small slip pocket as well there that you can store stuff down in. So that's the interior on this bag. So very nice, and I'm happy with it. I'm usually happy with most of the Rowans I've gotten from Coach. But I do love this print here, and I think it's really pretty, and I'm happy I got a couple of pieces from this collection. I really would love to get one of the wallets to go with it, but I'm waiting for them to go on sale, and that's the only thing I'm really watching. And like I said, from here on out, Coach is gonna be in jail for me the rest of the summer unless they really do a turnaround in the next few days. I didn't show you the strap that came with it, but same kind of dog leash style strap here, and then you've got your loved leather on the strap there with a little gold buckle, but it's a smaller strap, and because it's the smaller size Rowan, but that's it. All right, y'all, so that is my little last Coach haul for a while here, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. You never know what I'm gonna review next, so I do appreciate y'all for tuning in to watch this video. I hope you love the little Rowan I got here and all the little pieces, my replacement fin as well. I'm happy that I got another one, and my little spider charm, and my little find from Facebook. So I'm really happy with all of them, and I'm gonna use them on my bags. You'll be seeing them in my styled videos. So y'all do check out my shorts and see those, and I'll have them upcoming in a while here. But thank you so much again for watching my video today and stay until the end. I appreciate that. Y'all don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and give my video a like. I do appreciate each and every one of y'all for real. Y'all are the bee's knees, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on my next review. Coach, do better. Bye.